Today's topic, should I continue renting or should I buy? How do I know when I'm ready to buy a house? So the three things, if you're ready to buy: capital, so you need some resources to buy, meaning money in the pocket, or someone that is about to give you a gift so you can get it for relatives. Two is timing. You actually have to live here for a certain period of time for your investment to pay off. So if you're looking to move around and you're not sure about your job, you should probably think about renting and not buying. But if you're to be here for a while, on average, people in DC are staying more than 5 years. So that's kind of tending towards buying because you're going to be here for a time being. You might as well invest. And then the third thing is responsibility. Ownership takes time, but it also takes a lot of responsibility and upkeep. And you need a little capital, a little time, and that's why they call it sweat equity. And then you could decide for yourself, is it time to buy or should you just keep renting?